Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ZenGo app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the ZenGo app on your phone and you have already created an account. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the ZenGo app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. Now you can go through all this information and slide through them if you want to. If not, simply tap on the skip option at the top right corner. After that, you'll just have to enter your credentials, so enter your email address on this box. If you have a referral code, then you can tap on where it says tap here to enter your code. Then tap on continue. Now you'll have to verify your email address. So open your mailbox and check for the email sent by ZenGo app. You'll see this kind of mail from the app, and here all you have to do is press on the button tap to confirm. Now let it load. Then you'll have to enter the lock to your account. It can be fingerprint lock or any other PIN. So tap on enable device lock. After that, either use your fingerprint sensor or your PIN. Then let it load. On this page, you can tap on one of these three options: buy crypto, receive crypto, or explore the app. Choose any option according to your need. And as you can see on the screen, we've been successfully logged into our account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials.